Yo, I'm Kaio, b-boy, a breakdancer since more than 15 years, and b-boy coach. Today I want to talk about the situation about big girl Raygun at the Olympics. For those who don't know what happened, basically big girl Raygun is a breakdancer from Australia. She got to the breaking Olympics, and after her performance she became a meme. Why she became a meme? Because her level was kinda low compared to the other dancers. She didn't won any battle, and if I'm not wrong she scored 0 points, and most of all her moves looked kinda funny. Many people justified that by saying she was bringing her creativity and originality, her own style, to the battles. But most of people thought her moves were low level and funny. Many mainstream medias wrote and talked about her, making fun of her, and she received a lot of backlash and criticism for her performance. I can say even a lot of bullying and hate. What do I think about that? First of all, I think there should be more attention paid on who to invite to these events. Only high-level athletes, or in this case dancers, should be invited. Second of all, if someone is invited but it's not at that level yet, of course, it's a big opportunity for him or for her, but probably the invitation should be considered multiple times before accepting. Otherwise, I think it's pretty normal that people will make fun of this person. I'm not justifying all this hate against her, but I think this was kinda predictable, and this situation should never happen again. Second of all, I think mainstream media who is making fun of her and using this new to get more attention and views, it's a very bad behavior. What they should do instead is using this kind of funny new to showcase what breaking really is. Because her performance is not a good representation of what breaking really is. Last thing, I think in the comments is not necessary to show so much hate against her. She's just a dancer, she just took her opportunity. She didn't do it to make fun of the discipline or to make fun of the Olympics. I think she just wanted to showcase her style. And that's the result of it. Many people think breaking is not going to the Olympics in 2028 in LA because of her, because of bigger Raygun, but this is not the case. The decision of not having breaking in 2028 Olympics was taken before all of this happened. I think at the end of the day, all these buds gave breaking a lot of highlight, so it's our responsibility as dancers, as b-boys and biggers, to show what breaking really is. So, in this case, I think the best thing we can do is to use all this noise to show our skills, to show what we can do, so hopefully more people are getting interested in this discipline. Let me know what you guys think about this situation. I would like to read constructive comments. If you want to know more about breaking, I made a lot of tutorials, you can find them on my channel. Many tutorials are for complete beginners, but I also made intermediate and advanced tutorials. If you are more serious about learning breaking, I offer some different coaching plans. Check out the link in the description to find out more. See you next time with a new video. Yo ninjas!